Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USDJPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of AUD USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that the chart of AUD USD looks quite clean here. Previously market was in downtrend, and after that right now market is going up again. So if we just focus on the present trend, yes, I'm talking about the present trend of the market, then you can clearly see that AUD USD is an uptrend. AUD USD is an uptrend and beautiful uptrend, there should not be any doubt. And we also have a trend line right now acting as a dynamic support for the market. This trend line is not a very strong one, okay. But what I'm saying is that market is in market is in uptrend, that's it. On the other hand, you can see that we also have a resistance at 0.7470, or in simple words, right now market is just standing at a resistance here. Are you getting my point? Market is just standing at a resistance here, and as we all know, resistance means the place of sellers, and generally whenever market reaches a resistance, we generally prefer to short the market or take a sell position. But if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, or if I just ask you to focus this particular portion of the market here, then you can clearly see that market is extremely bullish right now. Try to understand the market psychology here. Market is standing at the resistance zone, but do you think that market is about to reverse? Right now market is not in the mood of going down, or in simple words, buyers who are present in the market are not ready to surrender yet. They are fighting with the sellers present at the resistance zone. Therefore there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance as well, because always keep in mind, support and resistance levels are not permanent. Support and resistance levels are not permanent, and therefore we should not take any impulsive trade or any blind trades whenever market reaches a support or resistance level. And therefore right now AUD USD is in a very crucial position, and that's why I have made the video. And on the other hand, if we look at the chart of DXY US dollar, we can also see that DXY is also in a very critical position. Why? Because we all know that DXY US dollar has a correlation with the AUD USD. Whenever US dollar goes up, we see Australian dollar going down, and whenever US dollar goes up, we see AUD USD going up. Right now there is a selling going on US dollar right now, but what you need to focus here is that US dollar is right now in a support zone. Okay, it is in a support zone here, and plus we also have this trend line acting as a dynamic support. Therefore we have got double support for US dollar right now. Therefore there is a good possibility of a reversal from this particular portion of the market. So on the other hand, if US dollar bounces also from this particular level, I will not be surprised, because we can clearly see on the chart that US dollar is having good support right now. So if US dollar bounces from here, definitely AUD USD will be going down. And on the other hand, if the same selling pressure continues on US dollar DXY, and if it breaks the level, breaks the support zone, then we will see good buying on AUD USD as well. So therefore keep your eyes on US dollar DXY chart as well. So what should be our trading strategy then? My trading strategy or your trading strategy should be wait for the perfect timing. Right now, see, right now we do not have any clarification whether the market will be going up or going down. We do not have any proper idea right now. Try to understand my point here. Okay, so if AUD USD breaks the resistance level and starts trading above it, okay, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is reacting, how the price is doing. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above the resistance level, then you will get the confirmation that the resistance, this resistance has become the new support for the market, and you can go for buy. Okay, if the resistance become the new support, then you can easily go for buy, because there is no more danger from the resistance zone. And additionally, keep your eyes on the DXY as well. Okay, so just make sure that DXY is in your favor. Okay, so if you're buying on AUDUSD, then if DXY is falling, that will be an additional confirmation for that will be good for you. So whatever, okay, if it starts trading above this level for 4 to 6 hours comfortably, then you can click on the buy button. But on the other hand, if market reverses from this particular portion here, and generally I do not recommend sell. Okay, I do not recommend sell on uptrend market, because we all know that trend is the very important part of market, and following the trend is the most crucial thing for a trader. So in an uptrend market, in a market condition like this, generally I do not recommend a sell. But on the other hand, if you see dollar bouncing from the support here, okay, listen to me carefully, if you see dollar bouncing from this support here, then obviously AUDUSD will be coming down from the resistance, and then you can take a sell order. Otherwise, if just AUDUSD reverses and if you do not get the additional confirmation from the DXY, do not short the market, because present trend of AUDUSD is still towards the upside. Okay, so if it breaks the resistance, go for buy, because the resistance will be the new support. But do not sell at the resistance until and unless you get the additional confirmation from the DXY US dollar. And moreover, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong also, and being a trader, this is your duty to protect your capital. This is your most important part of your trading journey, protecting the capital. So this is it. And recently I have launched a pro trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you are interested in knowing about the pro trader program, just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the pro trader section, you'll find all the information. Download the sample here, okay, and just see what kind of trades I share. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.